Hello teachers, are you interested in editing your own classroom videos? This can be a great way to create engaging and interactive resources for your students. In this video series, we'll discuss a free editing software called Kdenlive. So, what is Kdenlive? Imagine combining video, audio, text and pictures to create digital storytelling videos. These videos can make learning fun and exciting for children, helping them to understand and remember lessons better. It's a fantastic way to capture their attention and spark their interest in the subject. Kdenlive is an open source video editing program. This means it's free to download and use. It's available for Linux, Windows and Mac computers. Kdenlive is known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of features, making it a popular choice for the teachers and educators who want to create and edit video resources for the classrooms. Then how to download Kdenlive? First, open any browser on your computer. You can use popular ones like Firefox, Chrome. Here I am using Firefox. In the search bar at the top, where you type web address, search for Kdenlive Teachers Network. Look closely at the website URL displayed in the search results. It should start with https teachers-network. Usually it will be in the first result. Once you click on the correct link, a new page will load with the information about Kdenlive. Look for a section about installing the software, which might be labeled Installation. Within this section, you should find a link that says For Windows. Click on that. As soon as you click on For WindowsOS, it will take you directly to this section where you will find a link to download Kdenlive. Now, here's the link to download Kdenlive software. Just click on it. The same link is also provided in the description, so you can download it from there as well. Once you click on the link, it will redirect you to the download page of Kdenlive. On this page, you will see 3 different download categories. To download it for Windows, choose the first category, which is indicated by the Windows logo. Click on Installable and the download will start. Now you can see the Kdenlive is downloading. Wait until it downloads completely. By default, it should be in your download folder, which is here. As soon as you double click on the installation file, an installation window appears on the screen. In the window, you will get 2 options to install. One is install for everyone using this computer, and the second option says install just for me. I will select the first option. You can choose any option based on your requirements. Further installation will be the same for both options, and click next. It is always recommended to keep the installation path in its default location and not change it. So let's not change anything and click next. Now we will click on the install button to start the installation process. Wait until the installation is fully completed. After successful installation, click on Finish. Now minimize all unwanted windows. You can directly click on Start Windows icon on the bottom of the screen and search for Kdenlive. Now click on Kdenlive, wait until it gets open. Sometimes you may get a message in a pop-up window asking for an access to firewall. You should click on Allow Access. The Kdenlive software has opened and now it is fully installed. In the next video, you will see how to organize all the required files and start the basic editing process. Thanks for watching.